Welcome to my channel. Why does Wi-Fi randomly stop working? Easy fix guide. 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off the router and modem for 30 seconds. Turn them back on and wait for the internet light to become stable. 2. Check loose cables. Make sure all power and internet cables are connected properly. A loose cable can stop Wi-Fi randomly. 3. Move closer to the router. Weak signals can cause connection drops. Try using the internet closer to the router. 4. Restart your device. Restart your phone, laptop, or computer to refresh the network connection. 5. Forget reconnect Wi-Fi. Remove the Wi-Fi network from your device and connect again using the password. 6. Reduce connected devices. Too many devices on one network can slow down or disconnect Wi-Fi. Disconnect unused devices. 7. Update router firmware. Open your router settings and install the latest firmware update for better performance. 8. Change Wi-Fi channel. Nearby Wi-Fi networks may cause interference. Change the Wi-Fi channel in router settings. 9. Check internet service. Sometimes the internet provider has outages. Restart the modem or contact your ISP. 10. Reset the router. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and set up the router again. Thank you for watching.